What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Wellstar Reviews and Healthy Wild Free. Today I'm reviewing the Lineage Provisions AB Complete. Now, these two formulas are just simply different flavors. This is the original and this is the chocolate. The formula is basically the exact same with the exception of a coconut sugar in the chocolate and of course cacao as well, which is chocolate. So I want to share with you my likes and dislikes about these formulas and just kind of how I use them in my routine for recovery and muscle building and post-workout. So I started with the original flavor because I tried to avoid chocolate because a lot of chocolate has heavy metals in it. However, I will say the original, the beef protein isolate just kind of has a very bland flavor. It does have a blend of berries: blackberry, blackcurrant, grapefruit, pomegranate, blueberry, cranberry, raspberry, maqui, acai, and acerola berry, which is actually slightly different than the blend in the chocolate blend. I'm actually now noticing the chocolate berry blend is a little bit more extensive, but you don't really taste the fruit in the original blend. I will say that beef protein isolate really overpowers it. So you're gonna wanna mix it with like yogurt or raw milk or just, you know, something else, maybe in water, something. Water itself obviously won't mask the flavor. But what I like about these blends in particular is that they are 20 grams of protein per scoop. Now it's interesting because you'll see on the bag here, it says 22 grams on the chocolate one and 20 grams on the original. But what's strange about that is when I look at the back of the formula, I see the exact same 20 grams of beef protein isolate and then the same liver, organs, grass-fed colostrum, fruit and berry blend, coconut water, and sea salt ratios in terms of milligrams. So I don't know why there's 2 extra grams of protein in the chocolate. I'm not quite sure about that. It could have been a label mishap, but let's just say it's 20 grams-ish of protein with each scoop. So you're getting a pretty good amount of high quality essential amino acids, which is very important for muscle recovery and building. But the original, like I said, I don't really like the flavor of the original. It's very plain and bland. But it is also sugar-free and there's no sweeteners whatsoever. So if you're just looking for straight protein, you're gonna get it in here. And then with this, you're getting a little bit of coconut water and coconut sugar as well, which is, by the way, coconut sugar has about half of the glycemic index of regular sugar. So I think it's like 14 grams per scoop. So that would be essentially like take the glycemic index of like half that, so like 7. It'd be like 7 grams of real sugar, if you will. So it's really not too bad. And this one just tastes a lot better. So let's go over the formula. So the formula is, and this is, by the way, this is the same for both. 20 grams of grass-fed protein isolate, that's the base. And you have 800 milligrams of grass-fed organs, including liver, heart, kidney, pancreas, and spleen. Now, why is that incredible? Well, your liver is your master metabolism organ. Your heart, obviously, is the electromagnetic motor. It's more than a pump, it's an electromagnetic motor that helps with your blood flow, circulation, and so much more. And then kidney, which is very important for your protein metabolism, pancreas, which is good for your blood sugar regulation, and spleen, which is very important for many different things. I'm not honestly too familiar with the spleen, but I know it affects the heart as well. And then in each formula, you have 100% grass-fed colostrum, 250 milligrams per scoop. If you don't know about colostrum, colostrum is what the cow gives out pre-milking. And this is incredible for your gut lining and your gut health overall. It's very nutrient dense, it's high in calories, it is high in fat and protein, mainly fat, but some protein as well, a lot of vitamins and minerals. And it really just helps with your gut lining, so it helps improve nutrient absorption. This is important because if you're taking in a bunch of grass-fed protein isolate, a bunch of organ, meats, liver, heart, kidney, pancreas, and spleen, you're gonna get a lot of bioavailable vitamins and minerals. And if you have the colostrum in there, that fat and that conditioning of your gut lining helps to actually absorb these nutrients. And then you have 250 milligrams of organic fruit and berries in each formula. And then you have 500 milligrams of coconut water and then 100 milligrams of sea salt. And then in here, you also have the other ingredients, which is organic coconut sugar, as I shared, organic alkalized cacao, organic coconut water, powder, and sea salt. And the other ingredients in here is just sea salt. So this formula is a little bit simpler. And if you don't want any sugar whatsoever, the original is exceptional. This formula tastes incredible. What I do is I add this to Greek yogurt. I add 1 or 2 scoops to Greek yogurt with some walnuts post-workout, and I'm getting obviously protein from the Greek yogurt, and then I'm getting 20 grams. Sometimes I'll do 1 to 2 scoops of this, or 1.5 scoops, so 20, 30, 40 grams of protein from this, plus all your organs, plus the colostrum. So I'm conditioning my gut health, I'm giving my body protein, healthy fats, a lot of nutrient-dense calories, and then the coconut water powder and sea salt, and giving my body electrolytes. And then the berries for just, obviously the antioxidants and whatnot. So honestly, these taste absolutely incredible. Well, this one tastes incredible. This one is like, I add this to yogurt and it's like chocolate ice cream. I'm not even kidding. It's absolutely incredible. So this one I highly recommend because it's absolutely delicious. Now, if you don't want sugar, I recommend the original, but please know that the original does have a beefy taste because you're getting beef protein isolate with beef organs and not a lot of flavor. The berries just don't come through on that. So you're gonna wanna mix this with something else in order to sort of mask that. Maybe like peanut butter and maca would be a good sort of blend to mix with this, where you're kind of getting, that peanut butter flavor and maca or something like that. If you don't do peanut butter because you think all peanut butter has mold, which some of it does, almond butter. If you don't do almond butter because it has pesticides, macadamia nut butter. If you don't do macadamia nut butter because it lowers your testosterone, figure something out. You can figure it out. With that being said, these are both exceptional. I love the original, I love the chocolate. I will say I was a little bit disappointed that the chocolate had added sugar, but it's coconut sugar and the glycemic index is literally half. And when I looked it up, I was like, oh, that's a really smart way to formulate it. But at the same time, I wish it was sugar-free, but the flavor is so good. And when I get through a hard workout, especially today, Mondays, I do leg days on Mondays, and my thighs are just like, okay, that sugar I think is just gonna go straight into the muscle. And at a lower glycemic index, I'm not super worried about it. So anyways, these are exceptional. I think it's also good, one more thing I'll add, I think it's also really good to mix it up and do beef protein isolate and whey protein. Because the breakdown, whey protein actually absorbs faster, but with this, with the organ meats and the colostrum, you're actually getting something that's building more long-term. So I think it's good to mix up your protein sources. They both have all the essential amino acids, which is important for muscle building. Unlike branched chain amino acids, which people thought were incredible back in the day, they're a waste of money. These have all of your essential amino acids, which is incredibly important if you're looking to build muscle and strength and condition your body to be healthy. So this brand is just exceptional. I love them. They have great jerky that has organ meats. They have honey, they have beef isolate protein powders. They're coming out with a protein bar soon that is, I believe, whey protein. So check them out. I'll put my link in the description that will give you, I believe it's like 15% off. I think, just to be honest with you, the protein, the grass-fed organs, and colostrum, and electrolytes all in one formula, it's exactly what your muscles need. Your muscles need protein, which is all the essential amino acids. Specifically your internal organs, like your liver, your heart, your kidney, these help metabolize your protein. So then you're improving your protein metabolism. And then the colostrum to help condition your gut to absorb a higher ratio of nutrients. And then your electrolytes to help muscle and nerve firing. I mean, you can't beat that formula. I love how intentional the brand Lineage is with their formulations. I really think you'll enjoy them. I would recommend the chocolate if you're going for flavor, but if you're really trying to avoid sugar and you can kind of create a recipe in your kitchen with some sort of nut butter or something else to sort of mask that beef protein organ meat flavor, the original is great as well. So I tend to mix it up, but to be honest with you, I kind of tend to lean towards the chocolate because it's so delicious. So that's it for this video. I highly recommend these and this brand as a whole. You can check out the link in the description to get, I believe it's 15% off. Don't quote me on that, but check out the link, Lineage Provisions /healthy well free. And with that, if you want to get discounts on more than 30 different health and wellness brands that I've personally vetted as a health and wellness coach, I've been doing this a long time, and I vet the brands that I promote. I don't promote any brand. I only promote brands that I believe in. And if I talk about a brand that I don't really like or I don't like the ingredients, I'll share that with you on video. So check out the link below to get discounts on 30 different health and wellness brands, healthywellfree.com/shop, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.